Good morning from Portugal. Today we are super excited because we are heading all the way into Lisbon. We are behind schedule, so we have to get going, but we're super excited. We're gonna check out the city today and hopefully see some Christmas markets now that we're out of Morocco. All right, we'll see you there. So this is huge. It was 10 euro. It's massive. It's bigger than 2 that we would get in Germany. But we got the Sangria because we're in Portugal. And we're gonna get Gluhwein in Germany at the German Christmas market. So, salud. Super refreshing. It's iced, it's chilled, it's not warm, obviously. So it's a little bit different, but it is sunny and 60 degrees here on the coast. So the perfect winter wine in a warm area. How much is the pequeño? Oh, that looks good.
Hola. Pequeño. Petit. No, yeah.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so meat's cooking right here. Looks delicious. Right here. All different types of sausages, slowly marinated on the grill. They call me Mr. Pig.
Are you doing Pumbaa? Okay, that was our first little market. I can't remember the name, but
Figueroa.
It was super cute. We got exactly what we wanted. Steven got some sausages. The texture was different than we expected. It was like a harder sausage. They had tons of different flavors though. I think 4 different kinds. There was a black sausage for me, a white pudding, or white sausage that was kind of creamy. It almost tasted like it had potato or something in it. And then 2, just maybe a pork and like a beef-based sausage. And then I had a delightful cheese sandwich. It was just a cheese wheel. He took a spoon and he smeared it onto the bread, put them together, cut it in half, and that was it. It was almost like brie. It was a soft cheese. Delicious. Loved it. We haven't eaten all day. It's like 3 p.m. So that was amazing. And now we are headed to a second Portugal Christmas market. Let's go.
And there is Mickey, my friends.
Even the ground is beautiful. All the little huts with the little things. This is the cutest Christmas display I've seen at any markets. I love it. There's a couple Santas, snowmen. I got the cocoa special. Steven has to drive, so we're switching from Gluhweins and Sangrias to just good old-fashioned hot chocolates. It is melted chocolate. It's like Switzerland. You're gonna love it. It's so good. It's just like a melted chocolate candy bar. but like better chocolate than our candy bars. Oh, it's hot. You want to try it?
Okay guys, so this hot chocolate, Elaine raves about it. She made it a high standard with that Switzerland chocolate. Let's see for myself. Yeah, no, it's actually delicious. It's a creamy whipped cream and marshmallows. I don't know what this guy is, but he definitely, if you leave him in there for a bit, soak in some of that hot chocolate. Tastes like a candy bar. Yeah, this little Portuguese Christmas market has it going on. So many people here for the football game. So many people here in black and white. Yeah, all of that. All right, guys, that is it from our absolutely positively wonderful day here in Lisboa, which is known as Lisbon in the States, from Portugal. I'm Steven. My lovely wife Elaine is behind the camera, wishing you safe and enjoyable adventures. We'll see you next time on S&E Adventures.